Hello everyone, Ads from Unity Trading Group here, and this is the second part of our Binance interface walkthrough. This is the one that you want to really look for, run what you really want to watch if you want to know how to limit, market buy, and set your stop losses on this exchange. In a further episode, by request, we're going to go and have a look at some of the margin options on Binance, but for this one, we'll have a look at some of the spot options here. So in the first part actually, we looked at some of the interface, the dashboard, and everything like that. In this one, we're going to have a quick look at how to place a limit order. So as you can see, we're on the BTC USD chart on the 1 day. We'll actually move it down to the 4 hour for this example. We're looking at the trading view chart as we went through in the first part with all of our drawing tools on the left hand side. What we really want to do is we want to have a look and see how we can place these orders. Buy and sell buttons are here on the right hand side. To get to this, before I go on, to get to this screen, you go to Trade, Advanced, just here, and you'll be greeted with this beautiful interface. How do we set a limit order? So limit orders take place if you're buying, and they take place underneath the current price, obviously. So what we want to do is we want to identify where some of our levels should be, where we should buy BTC. So for this example, all I'm going to do is draw in that parallel channel there, that demand at 10,314. So what we're going to do, we're going to place an order, a limit order for BTC. So what we're going to do, we want to say we want to buy it at 10,300 for this example. How much do we want to spend? How much tether? Because we got 190 tether tokens or USDT in our account right now. How much do we want to spend? We want to spend $50. That'll get us 0.004 of a Bitcoin. We press buy, and the order will appear on the chart pretty much straight away, and the order will be placed in the books of the buy side, and you'll see that order sitting pending down the bottom here in your interface. BTC USD, we're limit ordering, we're buying it at 10,300. We're going to get this much BTC, and this is how much tether we're going to put forward through the trade. So that's perfect. That's how you set a limit order. We're going to show you how to set a market order. Okay, so how do we set a market order on the Binance interface? So what we're looking at, we're looking to buy BTC again. We're going to click the market section there, and this market orders will execute at the current price. So if you press buy BTC, for example, if you want to spend 50 tether coins, if you want to buy BTC immediately, and then you want to take the first available seller, the first available sell price, which is 10,707. We can do that by using market. So what we'll do is we'll spend $5 for this example. We'll press buy BTC. We'll use 10. So there we go. $10 works. I've never bought that little BTC, but we need to use $10. And as you can see, our tether amount has decreased to 180.4, and then we'll find that we have BTC available, 0.0009 of a Bitcoin available, and our USDT is also available there. So that's how you set a market. So this is now our segue into the next section. How do we set a stop limit order? So on Binance, on the right hand side, we've got our limit, our market, our stop limit. We are currently on the buy side. We need to be on the sell side. So if we've bought BTC and we've bought it in the intention of it going up, we want to help our trade by setting a stop loss. So if we get the trade wrong, we sell it for a minimal loss, and we get out and we can buy it when we determine the bottom again. So we can move over to the sell side. Let's say we bought BTC for this example. Let's say we've bought BTC at 10.3 or about 10.321, and we want to stop it. Enter our stop loss at 10.159. All right, very straightforward. Come here on the right hand side, make sure you got the sell, make sure you got the stop loss option ticked. We can go 10.159. We've got 10.159. We want to stop out all of our available BTC. We've got 18 USD or USDT tokens to get back. We press sell BTC. We can confirm these options. So stop 10.159. Our limit order will execute at 10.159 if the trade doesn't go our way, and we'll receive 18.9 tether tokens back. We press confirm, and that's it. So our stop loss or a stop loss trigger will be 10.159. As soon as the price gets to 10,159 exactly, the order will enter the book on Binance, and if we get a fill, we're out of the market. And you can see your stop loss limit or your stop limit order is sitting in the open orders section of Binance down the bottom. So that's how you buy, and that's how you set a stop loss on Binance. Very, very straightforward. So when I show you the buy side with a limit and market, exactly the same thing happens with the sell side. We've got limit and market. So if we want to set a take profit level for our current BTC order, for example, let's choose that resistance there at 11,336. If we want to set an order to sell there, this is how you do it. Click sell. We've got limit. We want to sell this asset or sell BTC at 1111 or 11,336. We want to sell all of our BTC position there, and we press sell. That'll set a limit order for a sell position at 11,336. So if price comes up and hits our order there at the top, we will be out of this trade and we will acquire 21.18 USDT tokens. Exactly the same thing goes with market. So if you want to sell BTC at the current price, at the current buy price, which is at 10,718, we can scroll across to see how much BTC we want to sell, or we can enter it in manually. That can be done as well. And then we press sell, and it will automatically, immediately execute the sell, and we will sell into Tether straight away. So very, very simple interface and a very, very simple way to trade on Binance. Thank you for joining me on this video. www.unitytradinggroup.com to get involved. Join the Discord, join the conversation. There's a lot of great traders in there. Myself and the other admin Ty, we're always in there. We're always chatting. We're always giving people a hand. So make sure you find your way over to there. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.